Hey Westy here. Okay, I've finally got my Power Commander 5 and my auto tune all in and set up. I've got my auto tune buried all the way down in the bottom of here, so it does fit in. You just got to pull all the wiring up and out of the way, and then it actually sits down against this frame angle here, goes down on an angle and it fits in there nicely. Then you can just sit the Power Commander in there, like so, and that's it. You can just stick it in there like that. So that'll work quite well. I've got my O2 sensor cabling here that goes through under there and then goes round to here, to the 18mm O2 sensor wideband. Okay. These are the new pipes that I've done. Stainless steel, a very very nice looking straw colour that they're turning out. I've just got one more stage to go, get all the welds all polished off and she'll be beauty. And then here's my front O2 sensor here. Now this one was a bit tricky to set up, so I've run it round here. I've zip tied it and it's coming down. I've got it into this little housing, and then it's following the loom there that goes down underneath the chassis, runs straight back, and then comes under here. It comes to the rear here, and then comes right up through the back here into here. It doesn't sit in between the guard and the frame, it goes on the inside of the frame. So as I demonstrated before, I've got a pull cable that I put through and tied it on and carefully pulled it up. So yeah, so it's all connected in. Just a couple of things to note though. When you are, all the videos online talk about, especially the videos from Dyna, they're quite misleading. They talk about having to network the devices, and so that's quite misleading and not specific. And when I actually contacted tech support, they said, well, the auto tune unit's not designed to come up as an active module. All it is it will come up showing that you're getting live AFR data. So for example, I'll just boot this up. I'll just connect this into my Power Commander. Just plug it into here. Connect it in, power it up. So it's just powered up now, just running off my PC. So I'm just going to jump into my Power Commander software. So how do you know whether your auto tune's working or not? It's really difficult to tell, and what I did, I just kind of tested it. There's that sort of theory. I just tested. So what you really need to get is, when you start it up, these two AFR settings here, they will automatically start reading live information. So when I turn the key on, it takes about 5 cycles for the auto tune unit to actually engage. So I'm just powering my bike up, and there you go, it's actually got 9.99. So I'll just start it up. It takes a little while for the AFR to pick up, but eventually it'll start. Here it goes. There they go. front and rear. So I've got my AFR1 is the front one, and AFR2 is my rear cylinder. How you do that is you make sure that you connect your oxygen sensors into 1 and 2, 1 for front and 2 for rear, into the auto tune unit. I'll show you that in a moment once we cut out things in the software. So as you can see, over here in my target AFR, I've got my table here with all my readings. I've got my power curve, my power mode in here at 14.2. Sorry, that's my cruise mode. And then everything else, yeah. So it is making little adjustments here. Well, actually it's not making any, you can see that the auto tune's not even lit up yet. So what I'll do, just to show you that it does kick in, we're idling at 1150. So if I come over here at 0 throttle position, I'll just click into this box here that goes from 1000, hold down shift and then down the next row, and change this to, I'll change it to 14.2. Right, and then enter. So now these two tables are looking, oh sorry, 14.4. So so this hasn't actually happened yet, because it's, as you can see, the auto tune light is not on yet. So what I'll do is I'm just going to send this table to the device, and it should kick in straight away. Here we go. So you can see the auto tune's kicked in straight away, and now it's actually trying to control fuel. See here, it's adding and subtracting fuel. The front one's getting less, the bottom one's getting more, to try and get the AFR to 14.4. So that's how you can tell whether the actual auto tune's kicking in or not. So I'm just going to, it kind of upsets it in these cruises, so I'm going to just reset that back to 0 again. So 0, obviously I'll send that table out again. Okay, so now the light's gone off, so now auto tune's not working. So anything with a 0 means that you will not, auto tune's not taking over. As you can see, it's still resetting its AFR tables. So I'm going to save this map now. Oh great, now it's not responding. Awesome, programs crashed. Typical. Windows, eh? Yeah, so I'm just going to open it up again.